If you could master the secrets of mind power and control through hypnosis, self-hypnosis, and other powerful techniques, then this could be the most important video you'll ever view. And here's why. Hi, I'm Al Perhacs, the author, creator, and visionary behind the Mind Force Method. In this short video, I'll introduce you to some very interesting things you can use in your life. Why would I do this? Because when you experience the value of what I'll teach you for free, you just might buy my manuals or invest in some of my amazing courses. And that, my friend, would be a win-win situation for the both of us. So why would you want to be a controller? A controller is my term for the person who controls their situations in life, such as your confidence, your ability to persuade and influence others, your mind and body, as in losing weight, stopping bad habits, and creating new good habits, controlling all aspects of your life by truly understanding how your mind and body work together. I call this power Mind Force. Thousands of people all over the world have used my concepts, strategies, and techniques to become powerful controllers of themselves and others. How about you? People always call or email and ask, where do I start? Well, now, that depends on what you're seeking. I'm going to introduce you to a system that will allow you to be free from your limitations and become more alive, excited, and exhilarated. Mind Force is comprised of 4 areas of study: hypnosis, self-hypnosis, and the subliminal sciences. A good place to start would be my best-selling hypnosis book collection, an excellent value for you. Psychic energy development, which includes telepathy, clairvoyance, and other strange phenomena. You can learn these incredible techniques with my internal power centers manual and system. Esoteric meditation that will enable you to break free from your body and experience true out-of-body experiences such as astral projection and remote viewing. All this and more can be found in the new and improved Mind Portal system. The laws of attraction. Find out what works and what doesn't with these extremely easy yet powerful methods. You'll find this astonishing training in the Magneto method of attraction. If any of these amazing abilities are of interest to you, then either fill out the form on this page to receive some really cool training. I'll provide videos, audios, and documents that will provide some of the answers you seek. I said some of the answers. For more detailed and complete instruction, simply order my training manuals or complete systems. Either way you choose, you'll be glad you did. Put your first name and primary email address on the sign-up form, and I'll immediately send the videos and other cool stuff. Check out the product sections below to see which manuals or systems interest you most. Thanks for watching.